truck historians and 3D modeling enthusiasts, we're unveiling something truly remarkable today. The Mack Model B Tandem wrecker featuring authentic CamelBack suspension and Holmes 850 equipment. A legendary combination of brute strength and functionality, meticulously recreated in 3D to bring vintage industrial authenticity to your projects. With 431,000 optimally crafted polygons, we've captured every defining detail of this road giant. From a revolutionary CamelBack suspension that made Mack famous to the fully detailed Holmes 850 wrecker mechanism, this model honors an era when durability defined design. What makes this wrecker truck exceptional is its dual focus on historical accuracy and digital usability. Fully operational doors properly linked to their empties for seamless animation. Independent wheels and rims organized for complete control. Steering wheel with complete rig for realistic driving motions. Functional wrecker system with movable crane components. PBR materials including diamond plate metal, rubber tires, plastics and leather, pristine and ready for your custom wear patterns. This Mack Model B Tandem with Holmes 850 wrecker is now available for your most ambitious projects. Perfect for simulator mods like American Truck Simulator, period-accurate film productions, architectural renders requiring vintage equipment, digital collections of classic machinery. Purchase links are in the description, but this is more than just a model. It's an invitation to revive the golden age of industrial vehicles. We want to hear, what other vintage heavy-duty vehicles would you like to see recreated at this detail level? A dump truck with reinforced suspension? Perhaps a classic fire engine? Your suggestions could shape our next projects. If this content inspires you, please like this video and share your thoughts in the comments. Every interaction helps us preserve these mechanical marvels for future generations of creators. Now tell us, how would you use this Mack wrecker in your creations? Will it star in a documentary about heavy equipment evolution? Become the centerpiece of your next simulation project? Because these vehicles represent more than steel and rubber. They're living testaments to an era when functionality and ruggedness define design. With this 3D model, that engineering philosophy continues to inspire through your creativity.